Hello guys, my name is Bram Paul. Today I want to take us on how to activate BrainPower JAMB Practice app. BrainPower JAMB Practice application designed to assist JAMB bites in their JAMB exams preparation. It contains more than 60,000 past questions and answers with their detailed solutions. Like as I said before, today we will look at how to unlock this powerful app. So first, let's go to Play Store and download and install this app. Alright, so on your phone, locate Play Store. Alright, make sure your internet is on. Okay, so on Play Store right now, I want to search for Brain Power Jam Practice app. Alright, it's here already. Okay, this is the app. So I will now click on it and click install. You can see the app is installing. So it's like I will pause this video for now, and after installation, we'll continue. Okay, you can see the app has finished installing. So I will just click on open. So you can see it's opening Brain Power Jam Practice app. Okay, so the first button there says activate. That is the activate button, all right. But let's just try to practice first without activation. So I'll click on take an exam. English is selected. I'll select mathematics. I'll select chemistry. I'll select physics. I'll select the year. Then I click on start exam. As you can see, this is the interface, the exam interface. It's just like that of Jam. Okay, so right now, let me attempt some questions. This is question number one of physics. I will answer. I go to question number two. You see, all right. I'll continue to answer, as you can see. But one good thing about this app is that you are allowed to answer up to 10 free questions, all right, for every subject you select, all right, before you'll be asked to activate. But I should go to another subject like chemistry, all right, as you can see. Uh, Click on the 11th question here. Now you see it will ask for activation. As you can see, it will allow me to answer up to 10 questions. So that means you have 10 free questions to attempt before you will be asked to activate. So if we choose to activate by clicking yes here, we'll be taken to activation page. All right. So let me just click yes here now. You see, this is the activation page. So any page you are, if you want to activate, just go up here. You see this three dot, drop it. You see activate there. All right. Any page, all right, any window you open on this app, you want to activate, just go up there. You see activate. Click on it. All right, to take you to this activation page. So let's head straight to activate this app. Okay, this is the activation page. Like I said before, apart from this home page, the first page, once you launch this app, all right, here we have activate button, all right. But apart from this page, any other page where you are, take for instance, this subject selection page, and you want to activate this app, just click on this three dots up here, all right. Then you click on activate. You'll be taken to activation page, or rather window, all right. But if you're on the home page, you'll see activate button there. Let's go to home page. Let's see this home page now, all right. So there is activate button here, so I'll click on it. I'll click on it, take me to activate page. We have instant activation. We have activate with pin. Okay, instant activation means that as soon as you complete the process, then your app will be activated immediately. While activate with pin, when you finish with the process, then we will now send you the pin for you to activate it. So let's start with the instant activation. So I'll click on it. All right, I will fill out this form. All right, ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, I will click on activate. But before I do that, I will make sure my internet connection is on, and also my details. All right, please make sure you're entering your real details here, most especially your email and phone number. Your payment detail will be sent to your email. Please make sure your email is correct, all right, and it's accessible. In case of any issue, you can always refer to your email, all right. Then your phone number, if we want to reach you, we use your phone number to reach you. Understand? And again, down here we have our helpline. All right, if you want to call us or send us a message on WhatsApp in case of any issue, the number to use is down here. All right, now I'll click on activate. Ladies and gentlemen, at this stage, we have handed you over to Paystack, one of the leading payment gateway in Nigeria. So anything you are doing from now on, you are with Paystack. Right up here says pay so amount, which is 1,000 naira to BP Tech. So this app costs just 1,000 naira. It's not much. So we have different options, all right, of payment here. We have pay with card, pay with transfer, pay with USSD. Okay, so we'll just take them one by one. So the first one says pay with card. I'll click on it. See here, you enter your card details. Okay, then you now click on pay 1,000 naira. All right. So please don't be afraid. At this point, you are with your pay stack. All right. So if you have your card, you're making use of card to activate, then complete the process here and click on pay 1,000 naira. Okay. So let's check the second option. This option says pay with transfer. If you are using your bank app or your USSD phone to do transfer, then you click on the second option. All right, when you click on it, you see it will generate a virtual account number. So all you need to do now is to copy the account number, open your app, then send 1,000 to this account number. Once your payment is successful, this page will now transfer you to payment confirmation page. All right, then your app will be activated. So I suggest you make use of two different phone at this stage so that this particular page will be open while you transfer with your other phone. You get? So you can still make use of USSD, all right, to do the transfer. But if you are using the same phone to do the transfer, then you have to be smart enough. All right. You just minimize this page, then open your bank app. All right. When your bank app finish loading, then come back here, copy the account number, paste it on the bank app, then carry out the transfer. All right. So I suggest you know, in between transaction, you visit this page also so that it will remain active on the stack. All right. Just make sure that within 1 or 2 seconds you come back to this app so it will remain active on the stack. So as soon as the payment is successful, then just go back straight also to this app. Then you will see you will be transferred to payment confirmation page and your app will be activated immediately. All right. So then you are making some USSD or bank app. So let's go back. So the third one says pay with USSD. All right. So let me click on it. We only have Guarantee Trust Bank here. So this method is only reserved for GTB customers. So I will click on GTB right now. It will now generate a transaction code. But make sure that in between your transfer that you're always visiting this page. Or it will remain active on the stack. All right. But like I said before, it's better you use two different phones so that as soon as you finish with the transaction and this particular page is open, then you will be activated immediately. So I'll go back. The second option here says activate with PIN. That means you will have to send in your PIN once you receive your payment. All right, once your payment is confirmed, we'll send you your PIN so that you will now activate your app. All right, so let me click on it right now. Now here, we are meant to enter code and PIN and click on continue. But at the time right now, I don't have the code, neither do I have PIN. So instead of clicking on continue, I will go down to the second button that says order code and PIN. So I'll click on it. As you can see, then I will now fill out the form, then click on order now. So at this point, please, I will advise everyone to make sure that you enter your correct details, most especially your phone number. Please enter your correct phone number. Make sure your phone number is correct before you click on order now. Cross check your phone numbers several times. Make sure it's correct because once you receive your payment, we will send your PIN to your phone, the phone number that you entered. Okay. Then I will now click on order now. Before I click on order now, I have to make sure that my internet is on and click on order now. You say success. Your code has been successfully created. The same time it has been sent to our database. So right now we have your detail as someone who has ordered for pin, but you don't have the pin right now. Reason is that you have not made your payment, so you have to use your details here to make payment. All right. If you're making payment through bank, and you want to go to the bank to make payment, please you use this code, which your order, this is your order code as your depositor's name. You get, use it as your depositor. The account number is here, the account name is here, also BB Tech City Services. All right. Now, if you want to make bank transfer, as you want to transfer through your app, use this name in the remark section. All right, under remark section for your app, enter this code. As soon as you will see it, we will activate your app immediately, or rather, we will send you your PIN. Down below here says 10 minutes after payment. So 10 minutes after you have successfully transferred money to our account, to this company's account, and you have not been activated, or rather you have not received your PIN, please either you call us or chat us on this line here. All right, if you are chatting us, please just screenshot your payment detail, all right, and post it online. You get, if you are using WhatsApp, just screenshot your payment detail and send it on this line, all right, on WhatsApp. That is 10 minutes after you've made payment and you have not received your PIN. You get, so as soon as we receive your payment detail, then we'll send you your PIN immediately. Now, once you receive your PIN, what next? What will you do next? Once you receive your PIN, just go straight to the app. Either you close it or you come up here, you see activate. After you receive your PIN, you click on activate. So at this point now, you're supposed to enter the PIN that we sent to you. But if the PIN did not come early, that is, if you have closed the app, then you now have to relaunch the app. All right, you go to your phone, relaunch the app. Then when the app finally opens, you click on activate. Since you have ordered for PIN and your code has been regenerated, when you open this page, you see that your code has been entered for you by default. So you now enter the PIN that will send to you. Say, let me enter a particular PIN now. I will now click continue because I now have code and PIN. So I'll click on continue. As you can see, the code and the PIN has been entered. So I will now fill out the remaining part of the form. Please always make sure you make use of your correct phone number. Now click on activate. But before you click on activate, make sure your data is on. All right. So click on activate right now. Okay, please wait. Say you have successfully activated brain power. Now click OK. As you can see. So during the activation process, if you are lost, you can always come back to the home page and rewatch this same video by clicking on watch how to activate this app. All right, that's the last tab here. All right, or you can drop the navigation drawer and click on how to activate this app. All right.